Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're making some vegan miso soup. Now, miso soup is not vegan if you did not know that. They use fish flakes in the broth. Ours is going to be completely vegan. It tastes amazing. You might have a little trouble finding the ingredients, but I'll put links down in the box below for all the Amazon products, so hopefully that'll make it simple for you. And here we go. That is a piece of seaweed that's called kombu. And you just want to put that in some water and bring it up to a boil, almost to a boil. That is mushroom powder. I took a package of dried mushrooms and I attempted this in my food processor. Don't do that. Use your Vitamix. It works so much better. I made it again last night and the Vitamix was like hands down different. And that's not smoke, that's like mushroom vapor. I don't know, it made a mess. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It tastes amazing, and that's what we're going to use in place of the fish flakes to flavor our broth. So I'm just cubing up some tofu here. It's about an 8-ounce package, super simple. Drained it and pressed it a little bit. Okay, there's our water's just coming to a boil. So we want to take that piece of seaweed out, big old rubbery thing, toss that. We're just using it to flavor the water. Now we're going to add that mushroom powder. We're going to give that a good whisk, and we're going to turn down, if not off, the heat. You don't need to boil anything else from this point. That's tamari. It's like soy sauce, only it's gluten-free. There's no wheat. A little bit of depth of flavor there. That is dulse. It's another seaweed, and that is just shredded kale, which is easy to find. You should use wakame, which is another type of seaweed. Again, links down below. The miso, you want to put in a ladle and kind of liquefy it that way before you pour it into the pan. You don't want to just dump it in the pan. It ain't going to work that way. And I used red miso paste. Add our tofu, add some green onions, and that, my friends, is miso soup. It is so easy, but getting those ingredients. So I'll put the recipe down below and all the links to Amazon down below. If you got a Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Sprouts, something like that, check them out. Maybe they'll have that stuff for you. Hope so. And that's the recipe for the week. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and ring that bell if you do. And come back next week. It'll be another whole food plant-based recipe because that's what I do. And I am Chuck, and this is Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.